AI is going crazy right now. There's all kinds of AIs that's coming out. Of course, we have ChatGPT, and now others are coming out of the woodworks. But what the true question is what's good for affiliate marketing, and what's going to become of the whole AI industry. Some people think it's really going to be able to help us, where others are scared that AI is going to take over the world. What do you think? Oh my goodness. So what do you think? What's your opinion with this whole AI? Like, some people's like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. And there's others that's like, ooh, this is so cool, which I'm one of those. Like, this is neat. This is helping us. We can get this done and we can get that done. Of course, I love affiliate marketing. And I've been trying to show people how you can use AI to totally help you with your content creation. Now, I suggest not to have it like try to take over, but to use it as an assistant. And I have a good example for you. But first, I'm Shelly Hopkins. If you don't know who I am, well, hello there, friend. And subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more stuff that has to do with affiliate marketing. And right now, I'm really getting into some AI with affiliate marketing. So subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're not going to miss anything. Okay, I want to use an email example, okay? I am not the fondest of having to completely have a blank white page and start from scratch and write an email. So what I do is I will use somebody else's, or I'll take even something that's from an article or something. So I have something to start with. And by the time I'm done, I end up, everything's completely different. Like, sometimes there might not even be one word on there, but it's easier because I didn't start off with nothing. So at least with AI, I can have it write my email for me and then just turn around and add to it. Like, I had AI write for me the other day an email, and I added comparing the robot Sunny from the movie I, Robot. So I added all of that in and then kind of went back in and tweaked it to make it sound like me and to refer back to that movie. Does that make sense? Let's keep going. Now, there was an article that recently came out about where ChatGPT is going to start charging around $42 a month. And the API interface where they can start charging for that too. So basically, like, a company can go in, use it, and have a whole new set for them, and then just pay ChatGPT. But like I've been telling everybody, eventually, yeah, they're gonna charge you for it. And it's not on all users, but you can go in, and in the right hand corner of it, and it says, like, I seen it on mine the other day, but I can't get in. So this is the problem I'm gonna tell you about in a minute. It's so full right now, like a lot of people can't get in. But in the right hand corner, it says like charge or upgrade. It says upgrade. And I think it has like a little X to upgrade it. And I guess it's $42. They're wanting you to pay $42 a month, because the last time I checked, they were going to charge you, but I didn't know about any monthly thing, but it was going to be like how much, I guess, words or stuff that you use. So maybe that's going to change, and it's going to be like a monthly plan or yearly plan. I don't know. We'll see. But you knew it was inevitable for them to come out and monetize on top of it. So let's talk about that. Let's just go with the $42 a month, because that's what the article I read said. $42. Okay. It's probably going to be, I don't need to say probably. I like ChatGPT. I think it's really cool. I've done a couple videos on it. $42 a month be worth it? Yes, because you can do all kinds of stuff with it. It's really a neat tool. But what if I told you that there was an actual platform that was $100 a month for a premium version, and the regular version is just $25 a month. So for altogether, $125 a month, and you get unlimited AI, and it comes with a funnel builder, because I'm talking about affiliate marketing here. It comes with a funnel builder. On top of that, it comes with training that's going to help you with your affiliate marketing business. Now, just the $25 plan, it comes with this, and it teaches you, it's the funnel builder and everything. And then the $100 is what they're calling premium, And then that way it comes with extra training. They have like everyday workshops and mastermind training. They have a mastermind where you can send messages in Telegram. It's pretty cool and fully loaded. And the training has different kinds of traffic. I mean, you name it. I'm going to show you in just a second. But let's just think about that. I want to think about the numbers. So $42 a month, and then we're talking about $125. And I didn't even tell you the best part. You can still, affiliate marketing, use this and make 80% commissions. So they want you to learn how to market. So while you're learning how to market and you're using the AI tool for all of your content creation, so that's going to save you some time and money right there. It's all included. To me, that's a better deal than $42 a month. Don't you think? Now, I just want to show you this, okay? This is the Home Business Academy. Now, it comes with a built-in funnel. It has the funnel builder. I'm not going to go into everything just because I did a full review. And at the end of this video, I'll have that video there, and I'll have that video in the description so you could watch it all in detail. And it comes with the funnel builder. It comes with all of the steps to set everything up, you name it, okay? But then it has over here HBA Premium. And this here is Emerson Magic Content Machine. Now this, with Premium, of course you get the AI, which is Emerson. And there's Get Ready, the pre-traffic, lead magnet. They have all kinds of stuff you can use, all kinds of funnels, an ebook funnel, really good. Get traffic, free traffic from YouTube to Facebook. I know they have a short form video, which is one of my favorites. I also did a training that's somewhere in here. I don't know. I just did it, so I don't know where they put it. And paid traffic. So they have text message lead and profits, solo ad training, Facebook ads, video ads, how to get the conversions with your sales, live coaching. Now, on the first Monday of every month is just I mean, anybody can be there, but it's specifically, you can do it if you're just a $25 member. I don't know what they call it. I'll call it a $25 member. But for premium, it's every Monday night besides the first Monday. And then they have daily Grow Rich calls, which is at 9 a.m., which I think is so, so cool, because even in my elite program, which is another program I'm in, I mean, I've had people say, hey, can you be live every day, Shelly, to answer questions? I'm like, no, I can't. I can't. And I even have a partner. So, I mean, you can. This is so neat. And then the Action Mastermind at 11. They have the Telegram, is where I was saying, it's like a mastermind Telegram. I'm more in there. They also have a Telegram for just a 25 plan. But since I'm premium, I stay in the premium area. So it's really active. I don't know how active the other one is. And then there's some bonus training. You can look at that there. And there's some done for you funnels, which I just learned about one the other day that I could do a whole video on one of these funnels. But let me show you just real quick a little bit about Emerson. Also, I didn't, but several members that's in this program took Emerson, and I compared some stuff to ChatGPT, and so far, like content for affiliate marketing, it does seem to be better content, I think, that's in Emerson. But someone else, I know for sure 2 guys that took and compared some ChatGPT and Emerson material, and plagiarism passed for Emerson, but not ChatGPT. No problem with ChatGPT. I love it. Now, the one thing is people don't know what good questions to ask. What are some good questions to ask when it comes to affiliate marketing? So what are some good questions to ask when it comes to affiliate marketing? Let's ask. What strategies should I use to create successful affiliate marketing? What types of content works best for affiliate marketing? What metrics should I track to measure? Oh, that's good. How can I set up an automated tracking for affiliate links? What type of affiliate network should I use? What are the legal? This is good. How can I ensure that the affiliate contacts I work with are legit? What have been the top performing affiliate campaigns that you have seen? That's a good one. Okay, now let's get one of these. I'm just going to use the first one. Okay, so what strategies should I use to create successful affiliate marketing campaigns? Identify key influencers in your niche and build relationships with them. Learn and master the fundamentals of successful affiliate marketing. Create content that is valuable for your target audience. Utilize tracking tools to measure performance and optimize campaigns. Establish a website or a blog that tracks the visitors. Develop an email list to nurture. Track your results and update your campaigns as needed. Utilize social media to attract more interest. Now, these are good. What you could do is then you could turn around. I mean, you could have like a whole blog just on the beginning when we had the other question, and then answer it with each one of these. And then you can take that. You can even go another step farther and have it answer these specific ones. Or, okay, that's one huge blog. You could just take this right here and use this as a blog itself. Then you could even make this into a Facebook post. And if you want it to look more like a Facebook post, I'll show you in a second. And let's just say you wanted to do a TikTok or short form video. This would be perfect. You know, strategies to create successful marketing campaigns. Who wants to know? And then go in, and you could even make them shorter. You know, identify with influencers, master the fundamentals, blogs. It says in about your emails, and you could have them, you know, all down the list, or like, you know, pointing to them or whatever. And then you can take that piece of content and like then multiply it everywhere else. And you can use that with a tool that I use that is called Metricool, and it's free. I mean, you can post 50 posts a month. I'll put it down in the description if you want. But so see, literally you could start off with writing, you know, with whole content and have the written words, then transform. You could even do a YouTube video on this information, the Facebook post, the TikToks. Then you can take that video and put it all over social media. You can use my tool to make it faster and easier. I mean, you could just take this and you don't have to do content anymore. Now, let me show you one thing that I was talking about, like the Facebook post. Okay, I just tweaked it just a hair and put create a Facebook post. Strategies should I use to create successful affiliate marketing campaigns? Okay. And boom, here's the results. It makes it a little bit more neater. Utilize video content. Affiliate marketing is a great way to capture. So it made it where it would just be more perfect for a Facebook post. Let's take this a step farther. Let's write an email. Okay, so how I tweaked it this time, I just put write an email about strategies you should use to create successful affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, write this. Cool. Let's just see. I added, and would you write it so a 5th grader would understand, and have a call to action for the Home Business Academy. Let's see what it does. Okay, now this is a good example. You know how I said at the beginning is how you ask the question? Well, I did this the other day, and I asked it right, but I did it wrong because it says, Dear 5th graders and Home Business Academy. But the way I said it the other day was like, you know, where a 5th grader can understand it. And it was really cool. I liked it. But it's a good email. And at the end, I'm horrible about call to actions. And so this helps me out. To learn more about the strategies for creating successful affiliate marketing campaigns, join the Home Business Academy today. So that's really easy. And then you can be like, you could even highlight that and have your link, or have the link below it. So this is seriously like so helpful. I love it. So did you think that was kind of cool? If so, you know what? Hey, if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I come up with a video. Yes. And this is pretty cool. Don't you think it deserves a like? My thumb, my messed up thumb. But I just wanted to show this to you because I'm all about AI helping us out. Anything to make my life easier. Yeah. I love ChatGPT. I do. I really do. I think it's cool. And you know what? I actually even think it would be worth $45 a month. But I wanted to talk to you about affiliate marketing because this makes more sense, because you get everything all in one. You get your funnel builder, the main funnel builder out there is $100 for the classic, and if they've upgraded where everybody does the $300 plan. So to me, this just makes more sense. And then you get 80% commissions, and because they teach you how to market. So you got your marketing done, you get your content done. They teach you how to. Everybody's thing is traffic. They teach you how to do traffic, and how you get traffic is content. Boom. Okay. I even have people always talk about short form video. But Shelly, I don't know what to put. I did some, and I got what to put from in HBA. So no excuses. No excuses. Okay. I just wanted to show you that because I want you to do good in affiliate marketing, and I want you to find something affordable, and I do want you to use AI because everybody is scared of AI coming, but you know what? You might as well just buckle up because it's here. So why not take advantage of it, right? Okay, now if you really think this is cool, then I told you the next video up will be the review that I did. So I went way more into detail and told you some things that nobody's going to tell you, and I can guarantee you it's the best video for HBA that's on YouTube. And guess what? I'll see you in there because I'm there. I'm in it. See ya.